Alright guys, since it is weekend, so today I'll be trading BTC USD. So let's go into the chart and see what we have. So I'm already in this trade. As you can see, I'm already shorting this trade, but this is what we have from the daily time frame here. If you look at this daily time frame very well, you can see that price is actually on the bearish side here, where we have several breakout structures. So let me point them out for you to see. This is our first level here, where we have this high here. So more like price is consolidating around this zone, so we broke structure around this point here. So we had our big breakout structure to the downside here. So look at this point, price closed below it, and here was a sweep of liquidity. So this place was a sweep of liquidity. Price swept liquidity further below around this place also. So look at how price also created liquidity above here, and we also have like a lower high also at this point here, the inducement, and price also created a lower high here. Look at this point here. So I was expecting price to take out this high, but it could not take it out, so it sold down instead. So look at how price reacted around this place, more like it's replicating this price action in this other side here, where we built inducement, and price have not even traded above these levels here, so it's building more liquidity, guys. So now at the break of structure, guys, this is it. This particular place here, also. So looking at this point where we have our trade of B, so this is what we're focusing on today. This particular place here, you can see this place here above here, this range, there is not much imbalance. So using the fib level also, guys, you're going to notice that we are already at the premium level. So this is the fib level already. So at the premium level, you can already start taking your sell trade. So see what price did there. Price got into this particular zone a little, and that's the premium level. So since there's no imbalance, I decided to take the entry already. So now you can see how price traded into the premium level, and this is it. There is no imbalance, so I took a trade. When I saw a confirmation there, I saw an FVG in the 2 hours. If you look at these 2 hours here, there was an imbalance price traded into in the 2 hours. So look at it here. We have this three candlestick formation where we have our gap here. So this is a gap here. So this is how price traded into this gap here. This is it here, the first candlestick, and the other one, the bearish and the bullish. So this is the gap, the imbalance. This is what we call FVG. When you have three candlesticks, you can see how I'm pointing out this candlestick, and you can see how obvious the gap is. Right now, you see what we have here. We have this equal highs here, which serves as liquidity. This is what is going to fuel the price to drop down. And we also have another imbalance around here. So I'm expecting price to get rejected around this level of this other block and this imbalance here. So this is the box. So I'll be drawing out this imbalance. So I want to see price fill up this imbalance, react to the other block, and buy from this particular point. So if price fills up this imbalance which is weak, not closing with its candlestick body, I can continue buying from this point here. If price doesn't close with its candle body stick inside this box, so I can continue buying from that point down, and we'll go higher. So if it does not, we continue selling down to this last low. So if you see, we will continue selling down. I can adjust my TP to this last low. So if you see what happened here, see how price traded into this imbalance. This is what I'm trying to explain. This is what I want to see happen. Just like this imbalance here, I want to see price trade inside the box or fill up the gap with its candlestick wick and not close with its body. So that's just what I'm looking out for at this particular point here. See price trade with its wick, react to the other block, and will be good to take price above. If not, we will be selling downwards. If it does not happen, that we will be selling downwards from there. So that's it, guys. So looking at this other point here, we have this um inducement. This is what we call by inducement, where we have series of equal highs created. So this was it here. So this was what made me take this trade very serious, because price did not really break above. That was not a BOS. So most people might think it's a break of structure, but it's not. So we want to see price get rejected from this TP zone. So that's what I'll be waiting now for, before I can, wait for price to pull down further. So for now, I'm still waiting on this particular setup, and I'll be waiting for some minutes or hours, since it's on the hour time frame. So I'll come back to this chart to check out how far the trade has gone, and share with you guys as soon as possible. Alright guys, back to the trade, and you can see we are all on profit. All our positions are on profit. So let's go back to the chart. So this is it, guys. This is what I was saying right here. We want to see price drop lower from this particular imbalance, which price is already playing along with the setup. So if you look at this particular place here, you can see how clear the thing is, how price filled up the imbalance, taking out this liquidity here, this particular liquidity. So these two highs were the where we need to push down. So see how it's never created any break of structure. You can see how they never broke above each other. So that was the liquidity we needed to push down a little bit. So that's it, guys. So that was like what I was trying to explain. So notice how price traded inside the box, taking out liquidities above the equal high, and we are already pushing downwards. So let's check what I saw on the 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes here, I had my confirmation, which gave me like a shift in market structure. If you look at this place here, this is where we have the shift in market structure, guys, this particular point. And if you look how price traded into, and this level of imbalance here, we have this little imbalance here. So price traded, that was where I got my entry from. So you will check out on this very point here, you see that it happened inside the imbalance, this level here, inside the imbalance. So that is just what made me had enough confidence to trade below there. Now looking at the 15 minutes, you see that we have this imbalance at this point here. So price did not completely fill it also, but since we had a shift already, I took the sell entry because we already had a shift in the lower time frame. And okay guys, most times I do come here to do my analysis, and so this is where I did my analysis also. I do come here to replicate my analysis to get a clearer view of what I'm doing. So let's go back to the chart, guys, and we can see we are most moving forward. So let's see what we have on the chart, guys. Taking you back to the chart, and we have price coming down to our imbalance right now. So we are close to TP. So I'll be locking some positions already, because we are almost done. We are about more than 50% of this trade. So I'll be locking some profit here. That's my break even. I'll be setting some profits, just in case. I'll just have something to go home with, just in case price get rejected from that level. So I'll also have something to go with. So that's just it on this particular setup, guys. So wait, let's see if we can get to TP. Okay guys, we just got to our TP zone. We are almost at TP level. So if you look at this particular trade, guys, we are at our TP level. So guys, please, I hope you understood from the beginning of the video. So if you watch to the end, guys, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video across, and follow for more concepts. I'll be dropping more videos on this, on ICT models. So thank you for watching, guys.